Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony, with RVFix? Today we're just going to talk about a couple of things, just real basics of towing. First of all, we've got our camper here and we've got our coupler here. Somewhere on this coupler it's going to tell you what size of ball you need to use. On this one right here, it's written right here on the side. A lot of the times they'll be written on top of it or right even in this area right here. But right here it says in a 2 5/16 inch ball. And it tells us right here on this coupler, it has a 21,000 GVWR. That's basically the weight that this coupler is able to handle. That's not the GVWR of the trailer itself. To find the GVWR of your trailer, gross vehicle weight rating, you just come right over here, the sticker over here, GVWR, 7,395 pounds. So we need to find a 2 5/16 ball that's capable of handling more than 7,000 pounds. So I've got two here just for example. So we've got these two balls. It says 2 5/16 right there, and that one says 15,000. This one says 7,500. But I would just go on the safe side and go ahead and get this bigger one, that 1.25 inch shank. Make sure you put that on there, tighten it up to its proper torque. And when you're setting up your hitch, you want to make sure that you have your trailer set up to where it's riding as level as possible. There's a bunch of different types of weight distributing hitches out there. We've made videos on how to set up your weight distributing hitch, how to use it, how to hook up, how to disconnect. So once you get your trailer set up all nice and level, you're going to go ahead and plug in your trailer to your tow vehicle. You're going to turn the headlights on, check all of your marker lights, turn on the turn signals or your hazard lights and make sure that the turn signals are going the right way. Have someone step on the brake pedal, make sure the brake lights light up. And I like to, once I've raised the tongue jack, go ahead and just drive ahead a little bit and just reach down and operate that brake level on your brake controller and just make sure that you can feel those brakes grabbing, and you'll be good to go. Safe and happy towing. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.